Hello, and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series, where we explore the tools, techniques, and ideas that are transforming the way we design and build. I'm Namrata, and today we're giving you a sneak peek into something a little different, but very powerful. We've been working on our projects using Python scripting, and we're bringing that right into Revit through pyRevit. Why? Because sometimes the smartest way to save time isn't by working harder, it's by coding smarter. So, Dilip, you've been leading this initiative on the Python side. Can you explain the big picture?
Sure. In our workflow, we write our Python code in Microsoft Visual Studio Code and then integrate it into Revit through pyRevit. This lets us automate repetitive tasks, customize Revit's interface, and make it work exactly the way we want it to.
Customizing Revit? That sounds interesting. What exactly can you change?
Almost everything that affects our day-to-day work. For example, we've redesigned the menu section so tools are grouped the way we use them, not the default way. We've customized shortcut keys so commands are faster to access. We've built small scripts that automate steps in our project setup, saving hours over the course of a project. All of this reduces workload, removes repetitive clicking, and keeps us focused on design instead of tool hunting.
So, next week we'll dive deeper into this.
Yes, in our next episode, we'll break down exactly how we use Python in our projects with real examples so listeners can see what's possible when you combine programming with design.
That's your for next week's episode. If you've ever wondered how coding can improve your design workflow, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep designing with purpose and maybe start brushing up on some Python.